Hey guys, Amit here for Advices Media and this is the 5-day challenge. Confused? Yes. That's something new which we are planning to implement on Advices Media. Moving away from the traditional unboxing videos which I guess everyone does these days, we thought of doing something different, and that is something called as the 5-day or probably a 7-day challenge, wherein we would be reviewing the smartphones on a day-to-day basis. We would be tweeting whatever we see on those smartphones, and we'll be keeping you updated on the same. So like the first day we would be actually opening up the package this way and showing you what all comes within it. So in this case it's the Gionee Elife S5.5 smartphone, which is claimed to be the world's slimmest smartphone at just 5.55 mm, coming with a powerful octa-core processor, Android Jelly Bean that's 4.2 out of the box, and it comes with a pretty interesting form factor along with the Amigo UI. The smartphone has a 5 inches full HD display and comes with a 13 megapixel camera on the back and a 5 megapixel camera on the front. Talking about the other package contents, you can see that it comes with a free flip cover within the package itself, and that's not going to charge you separately because it comes bundled up within the same. Apart from that, the package comes with this travel adapter, which is again Gionee branded, and a micro USB cable, a pair of headphones in white. Let me just open it and show it to you. So these are the tangle free edition and look pretty decent. Again, we can only know once we start using those headsets, and apart from that there's a bundle of booklets. So the first thing what you see here are probably 4 different screen guards, which is pretty new. I was not expecting these many screen guards. Again, these are not 4 I guess these are actually 2, because 2 are for the back and 2 are for the front, because the device comes with glass front and back. Along with that, there is a big list of service centers, and since Gionee is a Chinese brand which has recently come up in India, they are coming up with a big list of service support and trying to show that they are pretty much good in the market. And apart from that, there is a micro USB cable, a pretty small one, and the same ejector pin, a warranty card, information on the Gionee products, and a user guide. So this is what all which comes in this package. Now let's move that aside and talk about the smartphone. So this is a pretty decent smartphone, and in terms of the thickness, yes, it's pretty impressive. Again, if you're planning to buy one, I would recommend you to go for the white variant because it looks pretty classy and beautiful. Apart from that, talking about the device, again it has the back which is made out of glass, and initial impressions, I found the device was actually heating up a lot, and I'll be talking more and more about this in this 5-day challenge. So the first part of this challenge is doing a quick impressions on this device, and yes, I'm kind of impressed with this device. In the second series, I will be talking about the performance and the benchmarks and the gaming. So from now, I'll be using this as my primary device, and I'll be actually playing a few games, using it on a day-to-day basis, and then keep tweeting about those at Amit Bhawani, that's my Twitter handle. And also I'll be taking in your suggestions, your inputs, your questions, and I'll be featuring them in the next video. So if you have any interesting question about performance of this device, send those questions to me on the comment section of this video or through Twitter, and I'll be trying to respond to you on the same. The same way, day 3 we'll be going ahead with the camera quality. Like, how is the camera quality? Is it at par with some other smartphones in the same price range? And is it actually good in low light? Is it good in normal videos? Or how does the camera actually fare with other smartphones in the market right now? Apart from that, once we're done with the camera test, we will be actually moving ahead with the battery statistics, and we'll be talking to you, because the device has already been used for 4 days. We have a lot of data on battery, so we'll be letting you know if the device is pretty good for a lot of media consumption, or for good for browsing, or for day-to-day activities. So that's how we will be doing the different tests on this device. We'll also be checking up like the OTG things or routing part and lot more stuff. So it all depends on your queries. If you keep posting your queries on my Twitter handle or the comment section of this video, we'll be taking them up, showing them in the next video that's featuring you on these videos. And also since I'll be having more and more questions, I can actually work on those and compile those videos into one of these series. So that's the 5-day challenge, and again it depends on the product to product. If that's a very interesting product like the LG G3 which is coming up soon, I may also extend it to probably a 7-day challenge, because those kind of devices need a lot more kind of workaround to work on, and we'll be probably increasing this test and doing more detailed reviews on those products. So it's actually a 5-day challenge on all the smartphones. So that means that I'll be actually playing around with these devices for 5 days and giving you accurate information on what all comes within the package and is it actually worth buying these smartphones or not. So that's the day 1 and the initial first video of the 5-day challenge, and we are starting this with the review of the Gionee E5.5 smartphone. Let me know in the comment section if you have any suggestions or any feedback, and I'll be happy to work on those. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my day 2 challenge, which will be coming up live tomorrow, and keep posting your questions as I mentioned earlier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.